Welcome back to Product Critique, where we take a deep dive into the most talked about products online and tell you if they're worth your time and money. Today, we're looking at what might just be the best Thanksgiving party supplies kit out there, the LFSTGN 347 PCs Thanksgiving Decoration Set. If you're gearing up for a festive gathering, you'll want to stick around for the next few minutes. Let's set the scene. You're planning a Thanksgiving party and your to-do list is a mile long. Plates, cutlery, balloons, banners, napkins, tablecloths, the list keeps growing. The LFSTGN 347-piece kit is truly an all-in-one solution. It's designed for hosts who want the full experience without the hassle of shopping for every item individually. When you open the box, it's like opening a mini-party store. We're talking about decorations, tableware, balloons, garlands, and so much more, enough to cater to 25 guests. Now let's walk through what you get. Starting with the tableware, the set includes 25 each of 9-inch plates, 7-inch plates, 9-ounce cups, napkins, straws, forks, knives, and spoons. And the tableware isn't generic. Each item is designed with a Thanksgiving theme. Think warm fall colors and elegant prints that instantly set the tone for a cozy meal. The included Thanksgiving-themed tablecloth adds a refined base to your setup, covering your table with a festive backdrop that's both decorative and protective. It's these little details that take a celebration from simple to special. Now let's talk decorations. This is where the kit really shines. There's a big, "Give Thanks" banner to set the focal point of your room or wall. You also get 2 orange fringe curtains that work beautifully as a photo backdrop or to separate spaces in your party area. Add to that maple leaf garlands, hanging swirl cutouts, and 50 individual maple leaves for scattered decorations or crafting, and your home will be transformed into an autumn wonderland. And of course, the balloons. 60 latex balloons in assorted colors create the perfect festive vibe. The kit comes with a balloon strip, glue dots, ribbon, and assembly accessories to help you build a balloon arch or bouquet. It's all designed to help you create an Instagram-worthy setup with minimal stress. Setting everything up is straightforward thanks to the included accessories. Whether you're a seasoned party planner or hosting for the first time, this kit makes you feel confident and prepared. And because all the elements are themed to match, the final result feels cohesive and intentional. What makes this even better is that it's not just functional, it's also a thoughtful gift. The brand even suggests that this can be gifted to girls, women, teens, or really anyone who loves throwing a good party. So whether you're hosting or gifting, it checks multiple boxes. There's also a note about safety that's worth mentioning. Balloons can pose a choking hazard for kids under 8. So make sure there's adult supervision when setting them up and keep broken or uninflated balloons out of reach of young children. At the end of the day, this is more than just a bundle of party items. It's a complete Thanksgiving party experience in one package. No more last-minute dashes to different stores. No mismatched decorations. No wondering whether you forgot the forks. The LFSTGN 347 PCs kit takes care of all of that, letting you focus on what matters, making memories. So if you want to host a Thanksgiving party that looks professionally decorated, feels inviting, and requires minimal effort to set up, this kit is a winner. That's it for today's product critique. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. And if you've tried this kit, let us know how your party turned out in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy Thanksgiving!